Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to test out Tasty's 4 ways to upgrade caramel apples. I've never had a caramel apple, so these are going to just be really upgraded for me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and subscribe. New videos out every week. So to get started, you add a half a cup of water with 1 cup of sugar. I am having I had speech problems back when I was a kid, so I don't know if I can say this right. I'm cutting the recipe in half because I don't have the 2 cups of cream it calls for. I only had 1 cup. So to do it correctly, you do 1 full cup of water and 2 cups of sugar. But again, I'm halving it. I think that will be fine though. There's only so much caramel you need, and usually these recipes have way too much caramel. So we're just gonna go with half. So I have that in this pot already. So I have, like I said, 1 cup of water. Like I said, I have a half cup of water and 1 cup of sugar, and I'm bringing it to a boil until it starts getting brown. And then we're gonna add a cup of warmed cream to this and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So that will be our caramel mixture, which is super easy, I thought. So let's just wait for this bad boy to boil and get brown. All right, so this is getting close enough. It's been about 5 minutes, I'd say. I'm gonna start adding some of the cream. I don't feel like this is what happened in the video. Maybe it's too high. All right, so I poured in 1 cup of warmed cream, and then you just add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now we just want it to come to 250 degrees, it says. It's like watching paint dry. This is horrible. Come on. Just want to do the fun part of dipping. Have you guys ever made caramel apples? If you have, let me know in the comments. I'm curious if this is something people make often. I honestly did not grow up making caramel apples. Hence probably why I've never had one. Well, let's check out the sunset while we're waiting for the caramel. Not bad. This is still very slowly inching its way up there. I'm gonna get started on getting the apples with their little sticks inside of them. Tasty made this look really easy, so I'm really hoping it is. So you just take the stem out of the top and stick it in. Oh, yeah, yes. Don't you love it when something works exactly how it's supposed to in a recipe? Perfect! That was kind of exciting. I like that part. Yes. Oh, it's getting there. It is getting there. I'm excited. Okay, stick some more of these bad boys. Yeah. If you're gonna give these as a gift, you could always decorate these sticks. There's popsicle sticks. I found them in the craft area in Walmart in case you find yourself wandering around the store like I did, trying to find them. Duh, craft shop, craft section. These are the apples. And it's getting there, yay! So what you'll need for the toppings are a cup of crushed nuts or chopped nuts. I'm using chopped walnuts. You're gonna need crushed Oreos. I just bought like a pack and crushed a whole bunch, probably about a cupful, I would say. You're going to need marshmallow fluff, Lucky Charms, my favorite part. You're gonna need some melted white chocolate, and Tajin. I'm not sure I'm saying that right, but Tajin. If you don't have that seasoning, you can just do chili powder and lime zest, I believe is its mixture. then they also have something called chamoy, I want to say. I looked it up and it's pretty much like a fruit and lime flavor that is pretty popular in Mexican recipes. So what I'm using to substitute that, because I didn't realize I needed that, is just mango syrup and some lime juice. So that is all you'll need to make these delicious apples. And of course, Granny Smith apples you need. Alrighty, this has hit it. So you're gonna then pour it into a cup. First topping is the walnuts. So we're gonna take an apple, dip it in the caramel, and roll it in the nuts. I think the nuts would stay on better. It's caramel, for gosh sakes. Is the cookies and cream apple. So let's get some white chocolate melted, dip it, and make some cookies and cream. This one, you dip it into the caramel. Yep, still hot. Don't do that, don't do that. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Still being stupid, being stupid. Tastes really good with the Oreos though. I'm pretty excited about eating these. Even if they don't look as pretty as Tasties, I think they will be delicious. In the end, that's what matters. I don't know why I'm blowing on it. I just feel like it's helping dry it. So I feel like they definitely let it like sit before dipping into the white chocolate. I have an extra apple too, so I feel like that one's gonna be what I think cookies and cream should be. So don't go anywhere. That's the last apple. You'll wanna see that concoction. All right, I'm gonna get some white chocolate on here. I'm impatient. This is gonna be the one me and Kevin fried over, I know it. All right, it's definitely a messy thing to make. Oh my gosh, yeah, this one's beautiful. I'm super excited about this one. Please don't fall off my apple. Okay, I'm just gonna like set it on top of some Oreo for a few minutes and let it harden while we do the next one. See, it's called like tajin, I wanna say. Let's sprinkle that on. And then because I don't have, I'm gonna try it by itself. So the last caramel apple, not my concoction yet, still the last one that Tasty made in their video was the Lucky Charms one. You're gonna add some marshmallow fluff into the caramel. Make sure I got all the bottom up. Oh, these are fun, I'm excited. We're just gonna dip the apple into this marshmallow fluff and then dip it into the cereal. Perfect. Alright, so now for what I think the cookies and cream version should be, and that is dipping it into the marshmallow fluff, like so. You should see my dog's face right now. Yeah, you're not getting any bud. So now the Oreo, then doing more white chocolate, because why not? And that, my friends, is my version of a cookies and cream. I don't know which one to try first. I'm gonna try the one at least was least looking forward to trying. Just get it over with. So let's see. I feel like if you took a shot of tequila and bit into this, it'd be delicious. I Like, I feel like you need tequila with that. So yeah, if you need a after bite, after taking a shot of tequila, this is your jam. Let's try the nuts. Everybody likes a good nut. Okay. That's really good. I wouldn't hate that one. Definitely second bite worthy. I don't even know how you like bite into one of these. That looks cool though. That looks good. Okay. I like that. I'm eating this. I'm reading the back of the box. Hop on a unicorn of your very own. Look, I hopped on a unicorn on this one. These are not bad. I really like the crunch you get from the marshmallows that are in the Lucky Charms. I ate the whole thing, so. Alright, this is Tasty's version of cookies and cream. Definitely, the caramel did not stick to the apple, so. But that looks pretty good. Looks very appetizing. But let's give it a shot, shall we? Mmm. Little white chocolate in that is so good. I like that a lot. But I like Oreos a lot, so that's good. And last but not least, my concoction of what I feel like cookies and cream would taste like. That's pretty good too. I did that one. I like both of the cookies and creams are good. Tasty's version's good too. I can't really tell the difference, to be honest. So you could save yourself some marshmallow cream if you weren't gonna do the Lucky Charm one. But yeah, these are really good. That was my first time having caramel apples. I like them. Not really a fan of the Mexican spice one. Like, I would never make that again unless I was taking tequila shots, like I told you. Gotta have tequila shots for that. The walnut one's alright. The Lucky Charm one was very good. And the cookies and creams were definitely my favorite. So give these a try. Let me know if you do. Let me know again if you figure out or know why the toppings do not stick to the apple. It is so annoying. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give these a try during the holidays. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And subscribe. Hope you have a wonderful evening. Thanks for hanging out with me today and making caramel apples. See you later.